So today I'm going to show you how to schedule an email to send later on your Gmail. So take for example, you want to like send a particular message maybe by 8 p.m. Want to get to someone's email by 8 p.m. but you want to schedule it from like 6 p.m. now so that by 8 p.m. it goes because there's a possibility you forget to send it by 8 p.m. So what you just have to do is just go to where it's written this compose. So let me look for an email I can send to Big Daddy Famzy at gmail.com. So you can send. So let me just write something random. I check for the attachment. Then put it like a subject to download now. So to now, instead of you clicking this send button that sends immediately, what you just have to click is you see this arrow beside the send, you click on it, then you can see schedule send. When you click on it, it's going to ask when you want to send it. So you can either choose tomorrow morning, it gives you options, but if like you have a particular time you want to send, just click on this pick date and time. You click on it. So take for example, today is June 13th, so probably want to send on June 14th on a Sunday. Then you want you to go by 8 a.m. You change 8 a.m. So that's just you click on schedule send. And then it has been sent. It's going to give you send scheduled for tomorrow 8 a.m. So that's how to like schedule a message on your Gmail. And to check and confirm, you see the option of scheduled. There you can see, okay, yeah, you have scheduled a message to be sent. So that's how to do it. Very easy and very simple, nothing too complex. Thank you.